Savannah, this is my mom, and we are the Tasty Tins. And we are making my uncle's, which is her brother's, favorite food.
Which is?
Shrimp pasta.
Yes. So this is like she said, it's my brother Curtis's favorite recipe. In fact, he's the one who suggested we make this video today. So we're doing this in honor of him. So these are our ingredients. First, we use, so that's a little bit of chicken stock and a little bit of white wine, some fresh peeled into vein shrimp, butter, lots of butter, green pepper, a lemon, an onion, some fresh garlic, some noodles, sea salt for the water, and then we have some dry Italian seasonings. You can use oregano, thyme,
any kind.
Yeah, whatever you want. We do a mix, and then some kosher salt and coarse ground pepper. Now, so those who know me know I tend to do things a little, I do it the long way. So I buy fresh local shrimp with the heads on, and so I have already peeled or peeled and veined these. I also am going to chop onions and green peppers and all that other stuff. So let me just tell you a few things you can do to make this a really easy and quick recipe for like a weeknight meal. You can buy your shrimp already peeled and veined from the store.
Or you can go fishing for it.
You can, but that won't make it
Well,
easier.
you need shrimp people to fish it for you.
Yes, you do. So anyway, so you can buy them already peeled and veined. You just thaw them out. You can obviously use chicken stock either in your freezer or just buy some from the store. Like I said, you can buy your dry herbs already mixed together. In the frozen food section of just about every supermarket, you can get chopped green peppers and chopped onions for about $1 a bag, so totally use those. And of course, you can always buy minced garlic out of a jar. There's one brand that I love, but I'm having trouble finding them right now, so I'm just gonna chop my own because I really like it. Other than that, if you do all those little tips, you could actually have this meal on your table in less than 12 minutes. Really the length of time it takes you to make your pasta, because everything will already be prepped for you.
And also you can have it any day, like on Valentine's Day or Thanksgiving.
Yeah, you can have it
any or Christmas dinner.
Yeah, you can have it for any of those days. Okay, so I'm going to get started prepping the rest of our stuff, and we'll show you how we put it together in about 10 minutes, okay?
Let's get started.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm putting in our shrimp, and now let's get started. I can hear them popping. Okay guys, now I'm going to add the butter. Ooh.
And once that's melted,
we are going to add the onions and the olive oil. And peppers.
And the peppers, that's right.
melted butter.
Add in the onions.
Now we're gonna add in the onions. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh. Where should I put it? Now I'm going to add our green peppers.
We're gonna let our vegetables soften for about 3 to 5 minutes.
Okay, I'm going to add our garlic into our pan, and then I'm gonna just stir it nice and gently. Okay, oops. Going to add our white wine and let it produce. We're gonna add all of it. Nice and gently. Now we're going to add the shrimp back in and let it mix up all the flavors.
As we go a little something like this. Hit it!
Okay guys, our shrimp pasta is all done. Now my mom's gonna add a little bit of stuff
No, we're gonna squeeze a little lemon on top.
on top of here
Yeah, and in the pan.
and also in the pan.
Okay, go for it.
Squeeze.
Cause I didn't want to be tied down. I was afraid I might miss something.
Got it? That's good.
But you know life is funny.
And then after you mix it up, we're gonna get.
Found that I
We're
was
gonna
missing
taste it
something
now.
anyway.
So
I
we'll
was
grab
missing
a couple
all
of
of your good
shrimp.
love.
And I suggest keeping them separate, just so you don't overcook your noodles, and it's better for if you have leftovers. You don't want to, you don't want to,
Good stuff coming.
yeah, have all the sauce soak up into the noodles overnight, and then you don't have anything the next day. So we're gonna put a little sauce on top of our taste test. A lot of garlic, because we love garlic.
I love the smell of it because it smells so good, and without it cooked, it smells even good because it's.
Anyway, okay, so let's try. You can also top this with a little Parmesan cheese if you like. You want to go first? You want me to go first? Okay, I'll go first. You can top this with a little Parmesan cheese if you like. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It really depends on who's eating it. Anyway, so. Perfect.
My turn?
Mm-hmm.
So baby, I bought
Whoop.
those rings, and I brought you all my
I feel like we're gonna have some for dinner.
Mm-hmm.
You guys can have this for dinner, like every dinner. Oh yeah.
Is that good? There's an after behind you. Anyway, so if you want to try this recipe, remember it's going to be on our website. At
That sauce is good.
Thank you. At tastytin.com. I'll put the little tips and tricks in there that I mentioned. I'll also just put the recipe just kind of as I do it. And we hope you enjoy it.
And give us a thumbs up if you like this video.
Yes, do that.